when he brings it, he will bring it in the form of freedom. Just do drugs. It's lekker. You will be free of your thoughts. You will be free of things. Just take drugs. Or get into that bottle again. Or lust into pornography again. It's nice. It will fill you for the moment. So he comes. The bait of Satan it will look like freedom. But guess what it will do? It will bind you. It will produce lawlessness, confusion, instability. But he gives it as a good price. My mother always told me about the wellustige vrou in Afrikaans. I don't know what that is in English. Die wellustige vrou. It means that woman that's dressed in high heels and she approaches me, Be careful of that woman. Because in the moment it will look good. But it will leave a bitter taste in your mouth. It will produce death. It's not the devil's fault. It's your fault. Adam and Eve. No, it was the woman. No, it wasn't the woman. It was you, Adam. You allowed corruption to come into your heart and you went for it. And I just see the devil like riding us on a carriage. And like, nog een. Another sin. And he puts it on us and he puts it on us. And he's riding us and he tells us now where to go. He tells us, go right into this one. Okay, I want to bring destruction to that family financially. So I'm going to bring a deal and I'm going to do it. And it's going to get underneath and it's going to corrupt everything. Because you're allowing yourself to be ridden by the carriage and the devil is sitting on this carriage. You see that picture? When I saw this, I'm like, God, I thought I'm just in a moment, just want to fulfill myself in the lust of the flesh. But actually, I'm allowing the devil to get on a carriage and drive me. I'm the donkey and he's driving me now.